and its color is blue. When we heat it, the water molecules are removed and ये water molecules यहाँ remove हो गए हैं and it becomes anhydrous copper sulfate. जब इसमें से water remove हो गया है तो ये कैसा हो गया? anhydrous हो गया. जिसमें water निकल जाता है that is called anhydrous. So it becomes anhydrous copper sulfate. और जब इसमें से water remove हो गया जिसका कि कलर ब्लू था, तो जब वाटर रिमूव हो गया तो इसका कलर कैसा हो गया? व्हाइट. इट शोज दैट दिस वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इम्पार्ट्स द कलर टू द सॉल्ट. ये जो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स थे वो इसको क्या कर रहे थे? कलर दे रहे थे. जैसे ही ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स रिमूव हुए ये कैसा हो गया? व्हाइट हो गया. अब इसी ये जो हमने हीट किया, जैसे कि हमने इसको हीट किया था, ये ब्लू से व्हाइट हो गया था. अब इसी व्हाइट वाले यानी कि एनहाइड्रस कॉपर सल्फेट में यदि हम थोड़ा सा वाटर ऐड कर देते हैं तो अगेन इट विल बिकम हाइड्रेटेड कॉपर सल्फेट. व्हाइट वाले कॉपर सल्फेट में अगर हमने थोड़ा सा वाटर ऐड कर दिया तो वो वापस हाइड्रेटेड हो जाएगा और उसका ब्लू कलर वापस आ जाएगा. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं when we add some water in anhydrous copper sulfate then it will become hydrated copper sulfate. इसमें वापस से कॉपर सल्फेट के साथ 5 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स अटैच हो जाएंगे and it will become hydrated copper sulfate and again it will be colorful blue. इसका कलर वापस आ जाएगा. इसका मतलब है ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इसको क्या दे रहे हैं? कलर दे रहे हैं. तो दो तरीके के सॉल्ट हो गए, एनहाइड्रस एंड हाइड्रेटेड. एनहाइड्रस का मतलब है ऐसा सॉल्ट जिसके के साथ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स प्रेजेंट नहीं है. हाइड्रेटेड जिसके साथ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स अटैच्ड. तो जनरली जो हम सॉल्ट्स देखते हैं दे appear dry but they are not really dry. They contain some water molecules attached with them which are called water of crystallization. Take some more examples of the salts which have some water molecules. So, these are examples of some salts which contain water of crystallization. First example, as we have studied right now, that copper sulfate which contains 5 water molecules of water of crystallization. So when it is hydrated, this is blue in color, so it is called blue vitriol. When it is heated and it removes 5 water molecules, it becomes anhydrous, then it is white in color. So this is anhydrous copper sulfate. This is hydrated copper sulfate which is called blue vitriol, and when the water molecules are removed it becomes white, and this is anhydrous copper sulfate. Just like that, ferrous sulfate contains 7 water molecules of water of crystallization. When it is hydrated, it is green in color, so it is called green vitriol. क्योंकि ferrous sulfate में 7 water molecules के present हैं, इसलिए इसका कलर ग्रीन होता है और हम इसको कहते हैं green vitriol. And when it is heated, 7 water molecules are removed and it becomes white, and it is anhydrous ferrous sulfate. One more example, we studied sodium carbonate decahydrate means washing soda. It also has 10 water molecules as water of crystallization, and when it is heated 10 water molecules are removed and it becomes anhydrous sodium carbonate. Just like that, Plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate, hemihydrate. It has half water molecules as water of crystallization. When heated, calcium sulfate, anhydrous calcium sulfate is formed, which is also called dead burnt plaster. This is calcium sulfate dihydrate, which is also called gypsum. Heated, again formed calcium sulfate, anhydrous calcium sulfate. So when the water molecules are present, they are called hydrated salts, and when the water molecules are removed, when they does not contain any water molecules, they are called anhydrous salts. So this is all about the water of crystallization, and we got the answer that the salts which are appearing dry, they are not really dry, they have some water molecules which are called water of crystallization. One more thing is there, as we have seen that when these hydrated salts are heated, these water molecules are removed. Means these water molecules are not chemically combined with these formula unit of salts. They can be easily removed by a physical method heating. ये इनसे केमिकली कंबाइन नहीं है, इनको क्योंकि ये केमिकली कंबाइन नहीं है, हम इनको इजीली एक फिजिकल प्रोसेस हीटिंग से ही क्या कर सकते हैं, रिमूव कर सकते हैं. तो हम इनको सिर्फ हीट करके ही इजीली रिमूव कर पा रहे हैं, जिससे ये पता चलता है कि ये इनसे केमिकली कंबाइन नहीं है. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट द salts. Thank you and have a nice day.